Kurumirira uthukangia wa indo ikuona nguraro hindi ya mirurungano ya Azimio muthenya wa ira riu atongoria ngwataniro cia Azimio na Kenya Kwanza ni mokaniriire iguru ria no urabangite ngahiha icio. Kuringana na muikariri giti wa kiama kia UDA uria nowe governor wa Embu Sisiribarire, mutongoria wa MUNG'ETHANIRO ODINGA agirwo ni guikio ngono na hingurwo thitango cia THITANGO akiuga niwe mutongoria wa ngahiha ici.
The country must stop treating Mr. ODINGA, his sponsors, and the perpetrators of the attack with kid gloves and instead let him bear the full consequences of his murderous act. What Mr. ODINGA and his allies are doing is tantamount to terrorism against the very own people he purports to be fighting.
Akiaria nandiki ya mohoro barire ugite mirurungano ya Azimio ndirongoreirie kwagirithia miturire ya Kenya none ya guthukangia indo cia muingi niguo ODINGA egunewe mwene.
What we have witnessed in the country cannot in any way be described as peaceful protest and picketing. What happened in parts of the country on Wednesday was pure economic sabotage by non-political mercenaries with ulterior motives aimed at reversing the upward economic trajectory that has been driven by the Kenya Kwanza administration.
Miario ya barire uria uritie thirikari ikemituke guikia ngono Raila ODINGA na kumuhingurira thitango nenyitetwo baru ni mwandiki munene wa kiama kiu Cleophas Marara na mutongoria wa aria ingi mbunge Kimani wa Icung'wa.
What we have seen and what has been christened as protests, picketing and demonstrations over the cost of living have nothing to do with peaceful protests, have nothing to do with peaceful demonstrations, nor picketing, but what we are now witnessing as a country is a campaign of anarchy and economic sabotage. And they now seek a hand in the new Kenya Kwanza administration through blackmail, anarchy, and bloodshed.
Okaida-ini okau ambunge ya ngwataniro ya Azimio ni morotete ARUNA wa Kenya Kwanza makiuga nio marabangite nyanake iria iratumurire ngahiha hindi ya mirurungano na gucungirira uthukangia wa indo.
There were goons who came even carrying away kiosks. They're carrying away people's property, and they want now to blame us that we hired goons. They hired goons to come and destroy. The people I saw yesterday in Westlands, I've never seen them in my life.
Makiaria nandiki ya mohoro ambunge aya oho ni mokire ruhonge rwa borithi makiuga ni rurahuthirire hinya mukiruku kuharagania rurungani undu uria uracungirira ikuo cia andu kenda thutha wa kurathwo na angikihiri maratigwo makihonia nguraro njoru cia rithathi.
Every time you blame Baba, that it is Baba that is causing these deaths. It is not Baba causing these deaths. It is the police who are killing people, who are maiming people, who are causing serious injuries, grievous harm on our people.
The extent of brutality that we have seen or which have been meted against the innocent demonstrators in this country, we do not have words to describe.
Leu ambunge ni moritie ruhonge rwa IPOA rwike mituki guthuthuria maabitha aria marahuthirie matharaita ma uru na gucungira ikuo niguo matacukirio makinya ma kiwatho.